Greetings, fellow Cybertronians. It is I, Iron World Prime, and it has been too long. Maybe, sort of. I don't know if you guys are happy to see me or not. Quite frankly, I don't really care. But, that being said, I want to give a quick update and a brief unpackaging of one, maybe two figures. We'll see. Maybe. Depends on how much time we have. But first, let's take a look at a couple of games that I just bought from Walmart. Walmart. What did I say? Walmart? Walmart? Who the hell is Walmart? It's like Voldemort's evil twin brother or something. Anywho, first up we have. Remember me. I have not played this, but it was $5, and the premise on the back of the box seemed quite interesting to me, but could be fun. I cannot wait to play it. So, could be fun. We shall see. May or may not tell you about it later. Not doing a video game review because, frankly, I don't have the technology for that. But, next, this is very interesting. We have Transformers Fall of Cybertron. Now, you notice I am covering up the price tag. Why am I covering up the price tag? Because you won't believe how much I got this for. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and... Haha! Can you see that? Haha! If you cannot see this, it says 36 cents. That is right. I got this for 36 cents. Can you believe it? No, neither can I. Haha! But here it is, in my hands, and it is mine. Of course, this now means I need to pick a war for Cybertron, doesn't it? Oh well. Minor detail. The fact is, I got this for 36 cents. I don't know how much you got it for, but I bet it wasn't 36 cents. Haha! I got it for a lower price than you did. Ah! Okay, now for the part everyone has been waiting for. Unboxing! And we're doing a 2-for-1 special. Wheelie and RID Blast Charge. Wait. Blast Charge? Is that it? No. Blastwave. I was wrong. Can you believe it? I was wrong. I know. What a predicament. Oh well, moving on. So, let's get up Mr. Sharpie. Mr. Sharpie, where are you? Oh, here he is. And Mr. Sharpie will be played by Mr. Batman today. So, first up we have Mr. Wheelie. And we will do a quick Mr. Snippy right there. And then we shall open him up like so, and oh my god, there's a tape on the other side as well. I don't believe it is. Oh my god. Tape. Blasted tape. That blasted tape. No, I don't want any of your blasted tapes. If you get that reference, you are awesome. So let's see, get that out, and then the card, and look, it's a card for a Wheelie, and I am going to put that right on the box, and there are the instructions, which I don't want to look at because I'm a rebel, without a clue apparently. And then we get out the card, and look, it's Wheelie. It's a nice picture of Wheelie right there. Oh, isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Okay, put that away for later. Because I save all my cards for no apparent reason, because why the hell not? Okay, so put that backwards, because this is how I do things, and if you have a problem with the way I do things, you can go suck something that is quite unpleasant. That's good. Come on. No, wait, no. Okay, turn that around. Like that. I had it the wrong way. Can you believe it? I had it the wrong way. Oh well, whatever. Nobody cares, at least according to me. And that is all that matters. Okay, I did that. And hey, get that in your slot, you little trickster. I swear, if like Wheelie was a god, he'd be one of the tricksters. I don't know, Nancy, Loki, take your pick. But he'd be one of them, you can bet. You can bet he'd be one of them. Okay. Wait. Oh, wait, his waist. There's something in his waist. There's something in his waist. Oh no. Okay, I have him free. And I can throw away the package because I don't need it. For those of you who collect packages, that's good. I don't, so behold. Package. Trash bag. Ha! And here we have Wheelie. All Wheelie and stuff. And he feels decent, I guess. We've got arms, bendable stuff, ball joints in the right places. Let's see, how am I going to transfer this? Okay, so fold that up like that, fold that out. Oh, okay, so that quartered out like that. And then this folds inward like that. This folds down like that. That goes inward, like so. Oh, that's in like that. Which is these like so. That goes in like that. That will connect. And oh my god, I forgot to rotate this. Oh, hey! Hey, that wasn't supposed to happen. That was not supposed to happen. Can you believe it? Oh my god. Oh well. Okay, so. Alright, that was not supposed to happen, but it did anyway. So what are you gonna do? I don't know. I don't know. Hey, get out of there. You piece of shit. Okay, there we go. There we go. His waist does rotate. Yay! Oh! And his leg fell down right there. Landed right on the trash bag. Not in the trash bag. Landed on the trash bag. There's a difference. And it folded up on its own, which is what it's not supposed to. Oh, this has been fun so far. Anywho. Okay, so fold that around like so. Fold that around like so. And do that. And then fold that around and do that, and then fold this inward like so, and then fold this inward like so, and check that, connect that, and then fold that, and fold that, and this up, and then fold that up, and then fold that like that, and then I'm going to take arms, such, and then fold everything around. Wait, that's not right. Okay, fold. Ah, there we go. And fold that like that, and then fold that. Hey, I'm starting to see what the people keep complaining about this figure. Oh, what fun. Oh, Wheelie, you incurable prankster. And pull that down. No, that's not right. Wait, what? Wait, huh? Huh? What? Why are you not... I don't even. I don't even, is what I said. Yes, I don't even. Hey, what hell, you piece of shite. Well, this is quite interesting, actually. Let's see. That is supposed to go in there, right? Okay. So that goes in. Wait, no, it's not. Oh, looky there! That popped out. Okay, that was a thing. Yeah, you saw that, right? That was a thing. Okay, so remember when I told you I might do 2 figures in this review? I lied. We're gonna get done with Wheelie, and that's gonna be it. It's all you get. It's all you get. Mad at you. I blame you for this. I do. It's your fault. It's all your fault. Anyway, let's see. Get Wheelie and we put him back together like so. And no, that is not supposed to happen, you piece of thing. Yes, you piece of thing. That's what I'm going with. You piece of thing. Yes. Yes, that's the thing I'm going with. You piece of thing. Yes, that is exactly what I'm going with. And then this will come in, and that will form together like. Hold on. So, okay, so apparently these do not do anything. These just kind of sit there on this folder. And okay, I thought for some reason they would actually help in the transmission. They do not. They just kind of sit there on that folder. Okay, so the only thing we're going together are these front sections and the back section. They just do not want to. Okay, so that gets in there like that, and this will come under, and that will go that supposed to do in like no. You stay connected, you piece of shite. Why are you not staying connected, you piece of shite? You piece of shite. I keep calling you a piece of shite because that's what you are. You're a piece of shite. You're not even good enough to be a piece of shit. You're just a piece of shite. That's exactly what you are. You are a piece of shite. You're not worthy of the title piece of shit. You are a piece of shite. And I would not be celebrating that fact if I were you. Because that is it's very bad. Very, very bad. So I've been told. I do not know. That goes in there. Okay, are we good? I think we're good. So can I put that down now? Yes, I can put that down now. And oh my god, it's actually done. Oh my god. Yeah. That thing. See, it's that bad. It made my nose run. It's that irritating. Oh my god. Snot just keeps coming out of my nose. Ugh. See, that's how bad it is. It makes snot just flow like the Nile out of my nose. You, that thing, right, yeah. Oh my god. Ew, that was... And see, now it's making me sick. That... Ew. 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 At least it rolls. It rolls quite well, believe it or not. For the spawn of Satan, it rolls quite well. And yes, it does that thing. It rolls and it transforms into, admittedly, a very interesting looking car. But getting it from robot mode to vehicle mode is a pain in the ass, as you clearly have witnessed. So, yeah, that's Titans Returns Wheelie. In case I have not told you his full name, I just did. It's Titans Returns Wheelie. I just said it again. And it's a thing. It transforms. Is it fun? No, not really. And supposedly you're supposed to open up this seat here and then open up this back section and you're supposed to be able to fit a Titan Master in there. I am not gonna bother because, quite frankly, I don't think it's worth the time. And actually doing it the way it's supposed to be done, with this thing down there and this thing up here, and fold that back down, and then fold that up there, and then fold this up, and then fold this down. This thing doesn't even go down all the way, and it's. I'm sorry. I picked this thing up because everybody. I was running behind on the Titan's Return line, and I couldn't find him anywhere until I just happened to stop by a Target. And I picked him up, and you saw it's a pain in the butt to transform. And that thing, I don't even know if all four wheels are on the ground. It rolls. It's rolling, so I would assume all four wheels are on the ground. And the vehicle mode is solid, I suppose, but just getting in there is too much of a hassle, in my opinion. Yeah, okay, I'll keep him because it's the only Wheelie I own, but anyway, that was that thing. This has been I Am Your Pride, and I will see you all later. Take care. Oh, wait, I almost forgot, because I neglected to do this guy in this unboxing, because that thing took as long as it did, which shouldn't have happened. It shouldn't be that complicated. Curse you! Curse you! You thing! Dare I say, you piece of shite! No, I do not dare. I do. I declare thee a piece of shite. Not a piece of shit, because you are not worthy of that title. You are a piece of shite. But anyway, since I did not get to review this guy, I will review him in a separate review later. If not tonight, then sometime tomorrow. But this has been Iron Prime, and I will see you all later. Take care.